Nissan has unveiled the next-generation Interstar, a large van engineered to be the most cutting-edge addition to its light commercial vehicle (LCV) portfolio. This model features increased size and versatility, offering tailor-made solutions to meet the diverse needs of businesses. Notably, it marks Nissan's first large van with a 100% electric powertrain, promising high performance without compromise. The all-new Nissan Interstar prioritizes efficiency and maximum capability while catering to customer well-being. Boasting a design reminiscent of a truck, its assertive front grille enhances its commanding presence. With a focus on practicality and power, the Interstar stands as a reliable and robust choice for everyday businesses on the move. Moreover, it comes with Nissan's standard warranty, ensuring peace of mind for every journey. The next-generation Interstar offers a wide range of factory-built conversions, including tipper, drop side, and box van options. This diversity ensures that the large van meets the specific needs of businesses of all sizes, taking them to the next level of efficiency. Whether it's high cargo volume, long-distance driving capability, additional passenger room, or heavy-duty hauling, the Interstar and its various modes have got customers covered. Nissan introduces the Interstar-e, its first fully electric large van, promising a sustainable ride without compromising performance. Equipped with an 87 kWh battery, it offers a top range of over 286 miles, allowing users to reach clients without worrying about autonomy. Rapid charging capabilities enable recharging up to 157 miles in just 30 minutes, catering to inner-city driving needs while complying with urban pollution regulations. The next-generation Interstar boasts advanced features and safety measures, including forward emergency braking, drowsiness warning, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The trailer sway assist enhances security while towing goods. Additionally, the revamped model offers enhanced aerodynamics, spacious interior, and improved maneuverability, making it a standout choice in the large van market. As Nissan continues its journey towards a cleaner, safer, and more inclusive world, the next-generation Interstar represents a crucial step. With plans to fully electrify its LCV lineup by 2026, Nissan is reshaping the market to meet the diverse needs of everyday heroes, businesses that keep society running. Pre-sales for the new Interstar begin in Q2 2024, with sales set to commence in Q4 2024, offering businesses the opportunity to experience the latest in cutting-edge van technology.